Good morning guys, and welcome to Jennifer's Garden. I hope you are all doing well today. Today guys, we are going to be concentrating on this. So this was the waste from the guinea pigs that will be fantastic for the soil, fertiliser. So what we're going to do is we're just going to spread it around the beds a little bit. And yeah, leave it till spring. So yeah, come join us guys as we put around all the pots and everything else. It will lock down. We'll just do it the whole way around. Vitamins. Oh guys, I've got something to show you over here. Guys, we have the first signs of spring. Look guys, our first signs of spring. But yeah, this will all just get put in and spread around and lock down. Same with the leaves, everything will lock down, so don't worry about it guys. But yeah, we have our first signs of spring. Spring is on the way. So yeah, that is what we do with our other bits of grass, and just leave this now. This hay will lock down, and by springtime there'll be next to nothing there. See you soon guys.